Hello everyone. In this video, I am showing the easy and fast division tricks using estimation. What is mean by estimation? Estimation is the process of using approximate values to get a predicted answer instead of an exact one. In short, estimation means having a rough calculation of a number, value, or quantity. The best way to estimate is to round up the given numbers to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. Let us try with an example. Here I am rounding off 86 to the nearest 10 gives 90. I'll take digit 9 for the calculation tricks. And 2 is smaller than 9, hence taking 27 from the dividend. 9 goes 3 times 2, 27. Hence 86 times 3 gives the close value, which gives the difference as 13. Again I am taking 13 for the estimation. 9 goes 1 time to 13, hence 86 times 1 gives the close value, which gives the difference 44, which is also a remainder. Here 586 is the 3-digit number, hence rounding up this number to the nearest 100 gives 600. I'll take digit 6 for the calculation tricks and 7 from the dividend. 7 is also greater than 6. 6 goes 1 time to 7, hence 1 time 586 gives the close value, which gives a difference of 169. Again I am taking 16 for the estimation. 6 goes 2 times to 16, hence the close value is 586 times 2, which gives the difference as 525. 52 is the estimation value. 6 goes 8 times to 52, hence 586 times 8 gives the close value with a difference of 566, which is also a remainder.